Hi, welcome to FluxBuilder, a drag-and-drop app builder that creates mobile apps for your website easily and quickly, with beautiful UI and rich features. Log into FluxBuilder. If you do not have an account, sign up for free with your email. Select your app on FluxBuilder. In this video, we will demonstrate one of our sample applications. Enable the Login Mode option to show the order history screen. Now let's go to Features to configure it. There are two UI of the order history screen. The second UI will have a separate product rating page. Some users wish to display the Cancel and Refund button for some specific payment methods on Order Details screen. To do that, please enter the payment method ID. Now you can go to the Build section and build a test app to see how the order history screen display. You can see it will display like this.
Let's see the new review page of your mobile app. We have an efficient and quick solution to build both iOS and Android apps for your website. Make sure you are logged in to review the product. Select the order history item. Select a completed order. After admin approved, the review will be displayed on the product detail screen.
You can also go to the product details screen to see reviews. That's all. Let's subscribe to this channel to get new videos for free. Thank you.